Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're actually doing a first impressions and review on the Flower Beauty lipsticks, which is these lipsticks here guys. So these are the lipsticks. I've got 7 lipsticks. These are the Petal Pout lip color guys. I got 7 lipsticks to try on today guys. Retail for $9.99 guys, but I actually did paid $5.99 Australian dollars because they were actually 40% off from the Chemist Warehouse here in Australia, and they actually do come in 20 shades. I was only able to pick up 6 shades that I'll be doing a swatch, that I'll be doing a lip swatches today guys. They're actually got a mixture of the cream and the matte lipsticks, actually called the Petal Pout lip color. So yeah, so they actually, I think I've got a couple of cream one and then the rest are all matte shades. Okay, so the actual packaging guys, it's got a very luxury packaging in my personal opinion, and it's easy to open. So it's actually made of hard like a really good quality plastic guys. So yeah, it's actually a very hard container which is made from plastic, so it's actually easy to wind up and down. So this is actually 3.2 grams guys, and it's actually got 6 months to use, okay, from the day you've actually start using it. This is called the Cinnamon Crush. So this is the Cinnamon Crush, and this is a matte shade. So we're just gonna do a swatch on my hand first. So it's matte, but it's a very soft matte. Feel very comfortable on the lips guys, and it's actually very easy to glide on the lips. And the actual lid actually got like a lock in, you know, when you click it, see it's actually locks, so it means you're never gonna lose your lid. Okay, it's not transfer proof guys, but I can see that it's still leaving me a you know, it's still leaving me that that lipstick on my lips. So this is called Spice Petal, and this is actually a cream formula. So that's the shade here guys. This is the Autumn Rose shade, and it's a matte shade. So this is the shade guys. So the next shade is called Berry More. So that's the shade here guys, and in a matte shade. So this is the shade here guys. Also the actual I mean, that's the packaging's got the flower logo on it. The Puppy Pout. So this is the Puppy Pout, and this is a matte shade. So it's actually got a red and orange undertone. So when I swatch it, and that's the color there. it's actually, they actually look, it's definitely look different, guys. As you can see, that's supposed to be, because they actually haven't got any testers, so I only pick what's available at the Chemist Warehouse. Ruby Rouge, and this is a cream shade. So this is the this shade when I swatches, guys. A pink orchid in the cream shade. So that's the shade here, guys. Happy with the swatches on my lips on these lipsticks from Flower Beauty, guys. On the lips, they're actually very easy to glide on when you're applying it on your lips. And then the good thing about this too, it actually helps to lock your the lid of your lipstick case. So if you're actually looking for a comfortable lipstick, guys, and that are affordable, I highly recommend it for you guys to try the Flower Beauty from Drew Barrymore. So they are available from Chemist Warehouse here in Australia, or in the US. You can check out the flowerbeauty.com. If you guys haven't watched my Flower Beauty makeup review, I will actually put the link down the description box below, guys. You know, if you use any of these lipsticks today, and also please let me know what's your favorite color, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you to Justin Louis David, Jasmine Kyondo, so I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, Jasmine Lim, and to Lauren Domingo, and to my nieces Maurice, Jonaline, and I think Apriline, mom's friend, Tita Grace from UK, May. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.